Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Testorama review. So what actually is Testorama? Guys, Testorama will show you a step by step how to make daily commissions with website testing and have an additional income stream in these tough times. Creator of this product Testorama, Kiran, Solek and George. This product has already gone live 13th of September. This product got 9% conversion rate and 0% refund rate. That's why I promote this training course Testorama. I think this training course will help you to make more money, guys. Right now I'm in the members area of this training course of this product Testorama. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this product, guys. So stay tuned, don't skip this video, guys. I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you about this product. Okay, I'm going to show you also pricing and OTOs. Guys, this is the members area. Here is the start here, welcome and the important info, website 1, website 2, website 3, website 4. You will be able to make money over and over again and again from this fourth website. I'm going to show you guys the secret and all those info, so stay tuned. This is the sales page of this product Testorama. You can see the perfect course. See how we made $10 in 10 minutes by using a simple internet connection. Join us now. Click the link in my video description below. We show you where and how to do it step by step. The perfect course for anyone who is wanted to make money online but have been too scared to try. Click here to get instant access now, guys. Link in my video description below. If you purchase this training course through via my link, I will give you $2,375 bonuses, guys. This is my blog healthywealthy24.com. I put also lots of info about this product Testorama. Okay, what is Testorama? Testorama overview, and this is the 100% beginner friendly product. Testorama complete overview here, and Testorama pricing and OTOs. The 4-5 OTO of this product Testorama frequently asked questions, and this is the vendor bonus. Vendor will give you this fourth bonus, guys, and these are my exclusive $2,375 bonuses, guys. I am as an affiliate. I promote this training course Testorama. I know personally Kiran. He is an excellent guy. He and George also. They launched lots of products successfully on Warrior Plus Marketplace. They are a legit guy. That's why I promote it actually. And guys, here is all of my bonuses that you can access if you purchase through my link. This product Testorama. You can see all of my bonuses. Okay, this is my 20 exclusive bonus, and also I will give you my special top 21 high quality PLR ebooks. And just two simple steps to claim your bonuses, guys, is here. Guys, honestly speaking, if you purchase this training course through via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like these, and 30 days also money back guarantee this training course. What you will get, I'm going to show you everything, and this is me. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. I'm just going to introduce step by step. Right now, guys, I'm just jump the members area here. Here is the website number 1. Here is the overview. At first, they will provide the overview training. Here is the overview. Make $10 in 10 minutes over and over again and again. This is the number 1 video, and the overview video. And here is the tips and tricks, guys. Okay, here is the tips and tricks. If you only purchase their front-end offer, the front-end offer price is $11.95. I'm going to show you the exact price on the sales page. This is their sales page, Testorama. Okay, you can see lots of info they share. What is Testorama? Testorama is a product that gives everyone a chance to make money online, regardless of their age, skills, or experience, guys. Okay. If you are struggling to make money from online, this product will help you, I think. That's why I share. Also, they will provide 30-day money back guarantee. So this is 100% risk-free. They are a testimonial. This is the testimonial, and also you can see the testimonial here. And the bonus, everything is here. And you can see, guys, only $11.95 the front end offer. If you only purchase their front-end offer, you will get access all those features. And when you buy OTOs, you just click here, need upgrades, pro version. They will provide the information. And here is the tips and tricks, guys. So when I'm clicking at tips and tricks, you can see website number 1, tips and tricks. Website number 2, they provide overview. I'm just clicking here, overview. Here is the website number 2, introduction. And here is the tips and tricks, how to make over and over $10 in 10 minutes. Here is the same website number 1. Here is the overview. Okay, guys, here is the overview of website number 3, and tips and tricks also. You just click here, area only for buyers. I'm just a reviewer, that's why they limited for me. Okay, and I have no permission to access all the spacers. I'm just provide all the information, guys. This is very secret. Okay, and they hide for me because I'm using a reviewer access. That's why they not permission for me to provide to access all their other features. Okay, here is the pro magic tools. They will provide magic tools, needs upgrade, reseller license, pro feedback, bonuses and upgrades, and users and support. They will provide 24 support, and that's it, guys. This is the important info of this product. Here is the register for a new member orientation webinar and free bonus, how to earn 5,000 a month. Okay, they will also provide the training sections and everything that you need actually make money from online. Just I'm back here the sales pages, and I'm just quickly overview the sales page, guys. $10 in 10 minutes, $60 hour, and this can be done over and over again. Wow, that is serious money. The perfect side business, whether you are brand new or a pro at making money online. We will show you how to make money quickly over and over again, and all this can be done in your pajamas if you want. Zero tech skills are required. Yes, it is that easy. There is no investment, there is no monthly fees, and there is no hidden cost, just pure profit. Okay, guys, check out their profit proof that Testorama works, and this is only spending a few minutes a day, and you will get paid $10 over and over. Okay, they will provide their secret website where there you can get paid. This is the easiest way, guys, to make money online. Works in 2 easiest steps. Answer a few easy questions, and number 2 is get paid. 100% real, guys. So if you want to really make money from online, if you are struggling to make money from online, this training course is for you. And price is very low, but product is high quality. I recommend you can purchase it. 100% beginner friendly, can earn money in just a few minutes, easily done from computer or phone. Do you have mobile phone or computer or laptop? You can do this job. No money made, no making videos, no tech knowledge required. Works amazing for anyone, any age. Can be in your from pajamas drinking coffee. Real proof this works. Yes, that is right. This is an easy way to make money online. You will earning within minutes after implementing that training, and it could not come at a better time. As you know, we are now in a recession along with the highest inflation in 40 years. Okay, guys, you can see they share lots of information. Welcome to Testorama. Testorama is a product that gives you everyone to chance to make money from online, and it is the perfect icebreaker into make money online niche. They will show where to find these easy ways to make money and some tips and tricks to get you on your OS faster. In addition, you will get some amazing exclusive bonuses to further help you make money in other niches online. You will get result almost immediately if you purchase, if you join their training course, Testorama. Okay guys, here's the before and after. Enjoy your life and travel anywhere of this world. Testorama shows you how to make money online without having to be in front of a camera or making review videos, without needing any tech skills or experience, without having to pay for any monthly fees, hosting or memberships, regardless of your age, experience or reduction. Guys, this is the one-time payment product, one-time payment training course. Also, they will provide a 30-day money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose, zero risk. Okay, and all you need is a phone, computer or tablet and internet connection, and you will be on your way to earning money right away. So no problem. This is the testimonials. Okay, and also you can see the testimonials. Testorama is right for you. Okay guys, and this is the bonuses. I'm just going to show you my bonus pages here. Okay, here is also lots of info I share, and the price and Testorama pricing and OTOs. The front-end price only $11.95. If you purchase front-end offer, you will get all those 4 websites that you can get paid from this 4 website. This information actually, and this training course. And if you want to make more money, and you can upgrade, this upgrade option is here. Okay guys, the OTO number 1 Pro price $19.95. Make 300% more money with the first upgrade, and they will show you everything. OTO number 2 Marketing Magic, and $2.95 for first month, then $7.95 per month. And here is the Marketing Magic tools, is our Facebook group to present you with all of the following mentioned below. Welcome pack, new software and videos. They will provide also a money making software if you purchase OTO number 2. OTO number 3 price is reseller rights, $49.95. Here you can resell Testorama as your own, keep 100% commissions on the whole funnel. OTO number 4 is Profit Pack, price is $37. Price is very low guys actually, but product is very high quality. And here is, you can see guys, Testorama frequently asked questions. And OTO number 5 Elite Mastery, price $295.95. Here you will receive a coin-based a combined 6 1-hour coaching sessions from Shukla, George and Kiran. They will steadily guide you along everything you will need to be an elite affiliate. Okay guys, here is a Testorama frequent asked question. Number 1 question is this beginner friendly? Absolutely. In their opinion, Testorama is perfect program for anyone new to making money online. It requires zero tech skills, and they train you on setting up your accounts. How soon can you start making money online with these? Almost instantly. Who is not Testorama for? If you are looking for a magic button software to make you rich overnight, this is not for you. If you are not willing to put in some effort, this is not for you. If you are a serial refunder, this is not for you guys. Okay, why should I also get the OTO? This is important question. OTO number 1. OTO 1 has more and even more lucrative earning potential in a shorter time, so I recommend you also purchase their OTO number 1 guys. And here is the Testorama bonus package. Bonus will provide this 4th bonus, and these are my exclusive $2,375 bonus guys. I will give you lots of software, lots of marketing materials. Also you can see all of my bonus, and how to build a profitable email list. Just give away these ebooks and collect email guys. This is the right method to build a profitable email list. At first you give the value of your customers, then collect email. This is the right method. If you have any problem in receiving your bonuses, this is just 2 simple steps to claim your bonus. You can email us. Our email is here. I will send you bonus guys. Okay, and that's it guys. This is the info that I've already shown you about this product Testorama. Here is the bonuses, and here is everything what you will get. Here is everything you will be getting today when you pick up Testorama. Only $11.95 and 30-day 100% 30-day money back guarantee. This is the creator. Okay, this 3 person. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to make money from online. This is the product, this is the training course that I think saves your life, and you will be able to make instantly money, $10 over and over again and again from online. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you soon my next video.